Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Repeal Bill 2021 was passed by voice vote in Rajya Sabha on Monday amid pressed demand by the opposition member who wanted a decision. Parliament proceeding live updates November 29, 2021. The bill was cleared in less than 5 minutes as the Rajya Sabha convened after lunch break at 2 p.m. on Monday. It was passed in Lok Sabha earlier in the day. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, who introduced the bill, said discussion was not required as opposition had also been demanding the repeal of the law. The bill is example of the management has shown by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He announced the decision to repeal the law on the occasion of Guru Parab. The bill reflects that there is no difference in the Prime Minister's words and deeds. The opposition, including the Congress Party, has been demanding the repeal of the law. So there is no need for discussion, Mr. Tomar said. While responding to Congress, Malikarjun Kharge, who shout a decision on the issue. Mr. Kharge said in this opening remark that the government had decided to repeal the legislation after 1 year, their months, 3 months, and when 700 farmers had died during the agitation. They decided to repeal the legislation after the impact of farmer agitation was felt during the recently concluded bypolls. Mr. Kharge said. Rajya Sabha Deputy Narayan Singh moved the bill and it was passed by voice vote amid protest by the opposition members. The House was adjourned for 30 minutes. The winter season of Parliament began on Monday, but the first day saw several adjournments. The Lok Sabha passed the bill repealing the three farm law amid sloganery by the opposition. Several MP from the opposition, including Congress Rahul Gandhi, criticized passing the bill without debate. The bill was later passed in the Rajya Sabha as well. Ahead the parliament season, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the government is ready to discuss every issue provided the dignity of the parliament and chair is maintained. The Rajya Sabha was adjourned as the opposition MP entered the well of the upper house. 12 MP were suspended for unruly conducted. The following MP were suspended for unruly conducted: Ilamaran Karim, CPM; Phulo Devi Nitam, INC; Chaya Verma, INC; Ripun Bora, INC; Vinoy Vishwam, CPI; Rajamani Patel, INC; Dola Sen, Shanta Chhetri, TMC; Syed Nasir Hussain, INC; Priyanka Chaturvedi, Shiv Sena; Anil Desai, Shiv Sena; and Akhilesh Prasad Singh, INC. Earlier, we had said that the government will have to withdraw the farm law, and today these laws were repealed. It is unfortunate that the farm laws were repealed without discussion. This government is scared of holding a discussion, says Rahul Gandhi to media person outside the parliament. Paranpur Surjit Sen Gupta, according a young man died due to drowning in the Damodar River in Paranpur under the Hirapur police station. The body of the youth who drowned yesterday was recovered today. The deceased was identified as the Wakar Javed, a resident of Asansol Dorand Rail Colony. He was a railway employee posted in Andal. The police sent the body to the district hospital for postmortem. The deceased friend Sahbaz Alam today that they had gone to Asansol Loco Stadium on Sunday to watch a cricket match. From there, they went to visit Damodar. That's when he went down into the river. During that time, he drowned. They tried to save but failed. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Durgapur Rohit Mahankar. According, the road accident happened on National Road number 2 adjacent to Panagarh village of Kanaska police station in Durgapur of West Bardhaman district on Monday morning. An oil tanker lost control and broke the railing of National Road number 2. The overturned on service road police from Kanaska police station and Kanaska traffic guard rushed to the spot after receiving the news of the incident. The tanker overturned on service road, disturbing traffic. After a preliminary investigation, police speculated that the driver may have fallen asleep in the early hour of the morning. The tanker driver crew were slightly injured in the crash. Though no one was killed. Number it one, is learned that the tanker was traveling from Haldia to Nepal via National Road number 2 of Panagarh via Durgapur. Physiotherapy clinic, male and female. For contact 70474568855. Call on this number. Mahua. New COVID variant Omicron has many more mutation that and Delta variant. According to the first image of new variant initial detected in South Africa, produced and published by the Prestigious Bambino Gesù Hospital in Rome. On three-dimensional image which looks like a map, we can clearly see that a Omicron variant present many more mutation than the Delta variant contracted about all in one area of the potential that interact with human cell. The team of research said in the statement Sunday, this does not automatically means that these variations are more dangerous, just that the virus has further adapted to the human species by generating another variant, that the research says. Other study will tell us if this adaptation is natural, less dangerous, or more dangerous. They added. The research team focused on the research of mutation in the three-dimensional structure of spike protein. Colluida Alatri, professor of clinic microbiology at Milan State University and a research at Bambino Gesù. The image was produced from the study of the squeeze or this new variant made available to the scientific community, coming mainly from Botswana, South Africa, and Hong Kong. This image, which represent a map of all variation, describe the mutation of the Omicron but does not define its role. She said it will now be important to define through laboratory experiment whether the combination of these mutations can have an impact on transmission or on effectiveness of vaccine. For example, she added. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Baranpur Viva of Baranpur has won the title of Miss Body Beautiful. She participated in the Geron Mr. and Miss India 2021 competition organized by Geron Production House. She was the only participant from Bengal to reach the final. The final competition was held on November 21 in the Dehradun, Uttarakhand. There were a total 40 participants in the finals, where Viva Kumari got the title of Miss Body Beautiful. The chief guest here was Sahil Khan. Rohit Khandewal was the judge. Yogita Rana, Manish Sajida, Hans Goyal, Anjali Chandal, Vikas Bhati, Ankit Chauhan, etc. were the jury. Vinав Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Pawan Sharma from Raniganj. Sensation spread in the area as the body of a person was found floating in the Sri Krishna Pali Babu pond of Raniganj, Girjapada. The age of the deceased could not be estimated as the corpse swelled due to the drowning in the water. However, local claim that no one from neighborhood has gone missing. There is a confusion among the locals as to how under what circumstances the crops came into the pond. When the people of the area informed the police Raniganj police station reached the spot. Recovered the body. The body was removed only after the police arrived. However, the identity of the deceased could not be ascertained. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. Purulia Mandhudanga Kaji Nojrul Mahavidyapeeth College of Jamuria Block. Today, the blood donation camp was organized by Trinamool Student Council. 20 blood donors often donate their blood in the blood donation camp. Also present were Varun Kumar Tiwari, Barabani, Yuba Sakti, Abhinav Mukherjee on behalf of Trinamool Chhatra Parishad, Siladitya Roy, Sahib Abbas, Mohammad Raja, Sachin Bauri, Manoj Sharma report.
কাজী নজরুল মহাবিদ্যালয়ের ছাত্র সংসদের পক্ষ থেকে আজকে রক্তদান শিবিরের আয়োজন করা হয়েছে। এতদিন কলেজ বন্ধ থাকার ফলে বিভিন্ন ব্লাড ব্যাংকে রক্তের সংকট দেখা দিয়েছিল। আমরা ছাত্ররা ঠিক করেছিলাম বিভিন্ন কলেজে ছাত্র সংসদের পক্ষ থেকে রক্তদান শিবির করে সেই রক্তের সংকট মেটানোর। তো আজকে মধুরাঙ্গা কলেজ থেকে রক্তদান শিবির আয়োজন করা হয়েছে। এখনও অবধি মোটামুটি 50 জন রক্ত দিয়েছে। এছাড়া অনেক স্টুডেন্ট এখনও বাইরে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে যারা এখনও রক্ত দিতে পারেনি। আমরা তাদেরকে ডেকে রক্তদান করে এই মহৎ উদ্দেশ্যকে সাফল্যমণ্ডিত করব। আগামী দিন আশা রাখি যে এই ছাত্র সংসদ সোশ্যাল ওয়ার্কে বিভিন্ন অ্যাক্টিভিটিসের মাধ্যমে তাদের ভূমিকা বজায় রাখবে।
দাদা আরেকটা জিনিস, রাজ্য সরকার আজ কয়েক বছর আগে একটা ঘোষণা করেছিলেন যে বিভিন্ন স্বেচ্ছাসেবী সংস্থা, কলেজ, সরকারি সংস্থা অন্তত 3 মাস পর পর ব্লাড ডোনেশন একটা করে ক্যাম্প করবে। ওটা কত % চালু আছে এখন অবধি?
না দেখুন, তার থেকে বেশিই আছে। আমরা আমাদের আসানসোল যদি দেখি, আসানসোল ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ব্লাড ব্যাংকে সব ব্লাডগুলো যায়, আমরা ওখানে মোটামুটি খোঁজখবর রাখি। 3 মাস কি মোটামুটি 2 মাস 2.5 মাস করে নতুন নতুন ডোনার দিকে অ্যাপ্রোচ করা হচ্ছে। আগে রক্ত দিতে সবাই ভয় পেত, চুঁচ দেখে ইঞ্জেকশন সিরিজ দেখে সবাই ভয় পেত। এখন এগুলো মোটিভেট করে তাদেরকে রক্তদানের মাধ্যমে তারা স্বেচ্ছায় এখন এসে 2 মাস পর পর রক্ত দিচ্ছে, মানে বিভিন্ন নতুন ডোনার।
আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম অভিনব মুখার্জি।
কী পোস্টে আছেন আপনি?
আমি সহসভাপতি, পশ্চিম বর্ধমান জেলা তৃণমূল ছাত্র পরিষদ।
সাইড ভাই একটু সাইডে মোবাইলটা তুমি ফ্রেমে আসছে।
এইদিকে দাদা
এই তো 10টার বেশি হয়ে গেল।
ঠিক আছে
नमस्कार नमस्कार हाँ हमको लोग चुरुलिया में है हेलो अरे हमें चुरुलिया चुरुलिया क्या ब्लड हम आप क्या करेंगे
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. UP government is adopting a strict attitude after the paper of Uttar Pradesh, the teacher eligibility test UPTET was leaked. So far, about 30 accused have been arrested by the STF of Uttar Pradesh police in the case. The exam has already been cancelled. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath Rasuka and directed to take action under Gangster Act. The information has revealed that the paper has not been leaked from the examination center. Now again, the UPTET examination may be held on December 26, 2021 as the Chief Minister had instructed to conduct the examination again within a month in a completely transparent manner. According to the information, some government employees are also said to be involved in the leaking the paper. The paper was leaked before reaching the examination center. Its wire are connecting from Mathura, Budelkhand, Samli to government secretaries Lucknow. STF is dealing with the case with concentration and readiness. Following the strict instruction of the government, the police is also engaged in the swift action. A total of 2,736 examination centers were set up across the state for the nearly 20 lakh candidates who appeared for the UPTET examination. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Manish Srivastava, according lover jumping from moving train in love couple attempted suicide. The two tied each other dupatta and jumped from the moving train, seeing the loving couple found on the railway track outer. The information was given to the police. The condition of the loving couple is being described as a serious. Before jumping from the train, the loving couple ate poison. Arriving on the spot, the police sent the couple for treatment. On search, the young man Kagrol and the young woman were identified as a resident of Basai Nabab of Rajasthan. Saya police informed Agra GRP and RPF outer case. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. November 29 on the call of All India Krishak Sabha Kashipur Block Committee, a dharna was held at Kashipur BLRO office on Monday and deputation was given Akhil Bharati Krishak Sabha, Purulia District Secretary Krishnanath Banerjee, District Secretary member Diwan Hansda, Block Committee Secretary Sarat Mahato, Block Committee Chairman Arunodaya Banerjee and other leaders were present during this time. The leader informed about the number of the people against whom legal action has been taken against those who illegally registered government special land, started work by opening RI office in each zone and stopped smuggling of sand, clay and stone illegally. Caste reason is not mentioned in LR Khaitan. Marketing and marking the approved mines and displaying them through display boards, stopping the hassle and doing mutation properly. Therefore, the demand to make agreement to mention it. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Winter is not a season, it's a celebration. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.